Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, if you watched the end of the last video and it looks the same, that was about 2 seconds ago. I got the pocket clips all done, all that stuff. Yeah, man, good to go. Boom. It's time to get on the bevels and all that stuff, so let me dike these up and I'll meet you over at the grinder. I'm going to put my website up in the cards. It's the first down in the description, along with all the tools for Amazon and stuff like that I use. Do me a favor, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Alright, to the grinder. Got my little jig out to hold it. Got these all diked up, got the center line done. I'll put Knife Making 101 up in the cards to show you how to do this. After I finish these two, I think I'm going to start another one where it's like really for the beginner. I might even like do the center line with a drill bit and all that, but we'll see. Depends on if I have the time. I got a brand new 50 on here. I already broke it down to the center lines. Actually, I did it on camera, but it was so easy and so quick that I cut it out. Alright, let's get these done. We're not going back. Once I do 120, I'm going to come back to here and then go up. Here we go. Alright, see, here's why I don't go back. See how nice this swoop came up? This one, it came up all crooked and nasty, so sometimes the belts have a bad edge. That's why you don't want to go all the way back on your plunges and mess up one side. And you'll see on the 120, if I find a good side, I'll flip the belt over. I'm going to do the other one, then 120. This 50 is a little worn, so I'm just going to go to town and do it all. This is the second blade, then we'll do 120. Alright, I'm just going to tap it in halfway to figure out which side of the belt I like more. I did this side for Instagram. It came up a little bit, but we'll see. If one side looks better than the other, I might flip the belt over and use that for both sides. I always say this when I'm doing bevels at 120, but I'm just going to tap this in. I'm going to hold the blade up here so it's not touching like that. Just hold the blade up. Put this finger here. Tap it in until we get to about here, and then we'll slide it in. Just slide it on in. I like that side, so let me flip the belt over. Try to be safe here. Here we go. I got a little bit to come back here, and yeah, bring it back here a little bit, and then bring it up. Yeah, you don't have to come up to your line. It's just kind of a guide to let you know how even you're coming. Alright, there we go. I got a little bit to bring up here to make it to the line, but we're pretty good. That's one thing I like about 52-100. I don't have to take it up to a mirror finish. Woo, we almost got an edge on there though. Gotta be careful with that. I'm just gonna do this one real quick. Probably won't say a word, just be on high speed and bam. Over like that. Then it's logos and sharpening, and these knives hopefully will be done. Logos are next, but it's like 1:30 in the morning, maybe even 2. I'm calling it a night. Alright, I wasn't going to show logos, but I just figured out a new way to do logos. Usually I'm hiding my logo under like stone wash and stuff, so I'm not really worried about how they look. But look how clean that one came out. Since I've been doing a lot of just like 52-100, nice clean finishes. So check it out, I'll show you how. Usually when I do it on this, it's like ghost, I have to clean it up and all that, but this is done. So check this out, I'll show it. I'm gonna do it this way from now on, anytime I don't do Hamones or stone wash or whatever. But check this bad boy out. First thing I did is I took a pen and I kind of figured out where I wanted my logo to be. So there's the line where I want it. Then I took some tape. This way I don't have to worry about the ghosting underneath. So that's kind of where the back is. Another thing I learned is I'm going to clean my logo off each time I use it. And here might be the key too. So I'm just going to take a piece of tape, put a piece of tape right under here, and then kind of line it up. I got to get up in the light here So there's a light right here. Then you don't want to really press this tape down so you get it lined up. Now we leave it just like that. Let's put our negative on here. Make sure it's all lined up how you want it with the back, all that good stuff. I got videos on how to build one of these AC DC machines, so you don't have to worry about it. You know, it's pretty easy. Actually, I got 2 videos. One's a little bit harder and one's real easy. It's a big cheat. Anyway, I digress. I get my stencils off Blue Lightning. Is it? Yeah, Blue Lightning stencils. On his website is where I also got the mixture for my stuff. So I got 2 towels here, 1 paper towel to blot off the extra stuff, and you'll see what this one's for. Check this out. You're gonna dip, blot, and just hold on here for a little bit. Now, this is the key part. I'm gonna check it, see where it still needs a little bit. But now I'm gonna take a paper towel and wipe off, because you'll see it's wet under there. So it looks like the A needs a little bit more. And yeah, okay. Now we don't have to dip it again. And every time we check it, ooh, that looks real nice. We wipe it off. Nice and clean. Now we can go a little deeper if we want. You see, with DC, it wipes right off. It looks like it's black, but it's not. So there we go. We'll switch it to AC. Maybe dip again. Blot. Check it. See, now the black is sticking in there. 1 or 2 more times. I think that's it. Take this off. It's a window cleaner, Windex, whatever. Boom. You want to cover your, you want to get your stencil out of the light and go wash it off with dish soap. Boom. Look how clean that is. Boom. Woo. Yeah, man. Alright. I wasn't going to show it, but it worked out. Nice and straight. Boom. Alright, all we got left is sharpening. Final step, sharpening these bad boys up. I mean, they're almost to a 0 grind anyway. They got a little bit of an edge on them, but yeah. I'm not gonna talk anymore until the end. I'm just gonna go 120, A65, probably A30, and then strap it on the leather. I might talk a little bit before the leather's dropping, but it's just gonna be quick because I'm already at what, 13, 14 minutes? Oh yeah, I got my platen off my KMG with the top platen I made. It's my horizontal usually, but it runs backwards, so now it's anyway, yeah. My reader grinder running backwards, set up vertically. With my KMG platen with the top platen. Oh man, good Lord. Alright, I think she's sharp. See hairs flying? You're just going back to the last time I did this. I'll meet you back at the bench. I'm just gonna do the other one off camera. Well, this one came out perfect. Nice and sharp. This is the one I did off camera. Shaving sharp. Even take some skin with it. But this one, I guess I started messing up and I started chasing that edge. It's really sharp, but when I closed it, look at that. I don't know if you can see, but you know, finger can catch right there. I can't sell this knowing that your finger can catch. Ah, man. That's why I never sell my knives till they're like done. This one's like 97% done, and then that happens. So, yeah. I think I need to start making my knives longer so, you know, give some room for that to happen, but, yeah. It's Christmas though, so maybe I'll just give it to a friend or something and, you know, be more sentimental than anything. Alright, that's about it. Man, this is the one I kind of messed up anyway here, so, the pocket clip was perfect. Maybe I'll take this pocket clip and put it on that knife. Anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Leave a comment. Let me know some of your knife stories, how you've gotten to the end and then messed up, and how frustrating. Alright, I'll make sure to put my website up in the card. It's the first down in the description, along with Amazon links, all that good stuff. On my website I got shirts. I don't got shirts like this because I just had this made to show off my tattoos. Anyway, yeah, I got knives on there. If you don't see this knife on there, it means it's already been sold. It should be up there, but I've had a few people ask about it already. So, anyway, I'm rambling. Let's see, I'll put Knife Making 101 right here. The rest of the vlogs right here. Subscribe is right here. My website's right here. I'm gonna get started on a new tutorial series since I got these all finished up. Hope you're all doing well, and as always, take it easy.